Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to scan or get QR code of your Instagram app in iPhone and Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to tap and hold the App Store and tap on updates. Here we are going to check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. Then we have to update the Instagram app first. After the update, we are going to launch Instagram and tap on your profile icon. Here you will see in top two options, edit profile and share profile. We are going to select share profile and you will get the QR code of your Instagram. And if you want to share, you will see a three option: share profile, copy link and download. You can do anything that you like and share on social media. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.